Hi, my name is Molly Knighton and I'm a student at Danbury High School. I just finished reading a novel called Wither by Lauren DeStephano. Wither is the first novel of the Chemical Garden trilogy. The story takes place in the future, a time where scientific experiments have damaged the human lifespan drastically. Imagine a whole generation of children who only live to be 25 years old, and even worse, their children are diseased with this same fate. With this dying population, many new horrors arise in the United States. Cities are flooded with orphans who steal and scavenge to survive. Crime is at an all-time high, leaving everyone unprotected. Teenage girls might have the most to fear in this nightmare because many of them are kidnapped and sold to be wives. Wither introduces a 16-year-old girl named Ryan who is taken from her life and her beloved twin brother. She is thrust into a polygamous marriage with two other girls near her age. They are sister wives living a life of luxury and surrounded by fine things they have never seen before. Ryan marvels at her new life, but also fears it. The mansion that is now Ryan's home employs many servants and workers, but it also houses scientists that are rarely seen. So many secrets linger through the decorated halls and in the cold basement, but Ryan is determined to escape before she becomes one of them. She's living a lie, and at the same time, trying not to forget who she really is. Ryan is given everything except freedom. Will she find a way out of her glamorous prison, or will she indulge completely in the new life she was forced into? I think that Lauren DeStephano does a great job in describing the setting of this book. It also is interesting to visualize how our world may look in the future, and I think that Wither is a unique vision that I haven't read about in any other book. I also think it's interesting that all the horrors in this novel were produced by genetic engineering, and this is a science that is happening in our society right now. Even though a virus outbreak such as the one in Wither is not likely to happen, it seems as though it could be possible coming from the convincing descriptions of the author. The mix of emotions and relationships created between the characters is extravagant, and it makes the story that much more interesting. I would definitely recommend Wither to teenagers and young adults, but also the older generation as well. I think it has enough depth to keep almost anyone interested, and it is very quick and enjoyable to read. Remember, Wither is only the first novel in the Chemical Garden trilogy. After you finish reading Wither, I know you'll want to move right on to the next book. I know I did.